खा लो कुछ और ही ना हो। ये मैं खा जाती अभी। Hi guys, this is Waliya and I'm here at Bagallery और हम लोग एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चैलेंज करने लगे हैं। We're going to do a blindfold challenge जिसमें मेरे सामने बहुत सी चीज़ें रखी जाएंगी which are obviously available at Bagallery और मैंने वो guess करनी होंगी। I think it'll be fun. Let's get started. Okay. I think this is like either a concealer or a lipstick. I think it's a lipstick. It's a lipstick. Oh. I'm gonna go and say mascara, lipstick. मैं हटा रही हूँ। Ooh, yeah, ये मेरी बहुत favorite चीज़ है by the way. It's the lip tint by Body Shop. Love this. मैंने कहा था गंदी गंदी चीजें नहीं लानी। It's not makeup. It's like some toy or some like inside. है ना? अरे अच्छा जी, ये कोई खाने की चीज तो है। खा लो कुछ और ही ना हो। ये मैं खा जाती अभी। It's wax. I know what this is that thing. I've never used it. जिसको आप I don't know जिसके आगे needles होती हैं, है ना? है ना? I know it. So it's a bottle. It's either I think it's a shampoo. It's a lotion. ये तो वो है slime. It's slime. I know it's slime. Okay, so this is like a mascara, an eyeliner. It's a lipstick. I've used these actually, they're really good. Try them. Color Pop. Very nice. It could be like वो जो एक अभी highlighter था Becca वाला, maybe I don't know powder. That was it for today guys. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. Actually did better than I thought I would, so I'm happy. Also the White Friday sale starts 27th of November, so don't forget and don't miss out. And I hope you had fun with us. Thank you for watching.